The topic for today is how to solve the family template invalid message in Revit during opening the software. So let's start. First, open the Revit software. After opening the software, it shows the default family template file invalid. To solve this issue, close the message dialog box. Go to C drive. Click on the View tab. Tick on the hidden items. Now you can see all the hidden files are now visible. Go back to Revit. Click on Home button. Click on the file. Click on the option. Go to the file location. Click on the green color plus sign and click on Looking. Go to C drive. Click on the program data. Go to Autodesk. Search for RVT 2020. Open the file. Next, go to Templates. Choose the templates as per your country's requirements. Select the default metric. Click Open. Again, click on the green colored plus sign. Select the system default metric. These two options are the default setup for any Revit project. You can use any kind of family template as per your requirements. Next, click OK. Again, reopen Revit. Now the message will not appear. Like, subscribe, and share our videos for more interesting topics.